Are your .NET Framework apps crashing due to the Closedxml Excel Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Senior Windows Support Engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. As we prepare the manual solution for Closedxml Excel Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Closedxml Excel Library, a popular .NET library used for reading and writing Excel.xlsx files without having Microsoft Office installed. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of automated reporting and accounting tools. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, Closedxml, preventing any data export or import. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like Closedxml Excel Library DLL and restore stability. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Closedxml Excel Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Closedxml Excel Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Review options for improved system responsiveness by consulting the primary tool linked below for Closedxml Excel Library. If you've regained access to Closedxml Excel Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.